Hello class 6. This is your next topic, Roman numeral. Now, how do we change Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic or Hindu Arabic to Roman numeral? We discuss about some rules. First, there are 7 symbols for Roman numerals: I, B, X, L, C, D, and M. And the values of these symbols are 1 for I, 5 for B, 10 for X, 50 for L, 100 for C, 500 for D, and 1000 for M. And a bar. When a bar is placed on any symbol, this bar means multiplied by 1000. For example, here B bar. B stands for 5. And this bar means 1000 times, means 5 into 1000. B bar means 5000. Now come to the rule number 1. Rule number 1: repetition of symbol in a Roman numeral means addition. This is the first rule, repetition rule. The repetition rule is the repetition of symbol means addition. There are some rules for repetition. Only I, X, C, and M can be repeated. I, X, C, and M can be repeated. B, L, and D are never repeated. And no symbol in Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. So, for example, here 2I means I stand for 1, 1 plus 1, 2. 3x, x stand for 10, x means 10, 10 plus 10 plus 10 means 30. 2c, 100 plus 100 means 200. These are the repetition rules. First, only I, X, C, and M can be repeated. B, L, and D are never repeated. And no symbol in Roman numeral can be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, 3x, 2c, we can use 3c, 3i. You cannot use 4x or 4i or 4c. Only any symbol can be repeated only 3 times. This rule is called the repetition rule. This is the rule number 1. Now rule number 2. A smaller numeral written to the right of the larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. When a smaller numeral is written at the right of the larger numeral. For example, I is written after B. I is smaller numeral, B is larger, so I is always added to the B. So 5 plus 1 equal to 6. B I means 5 plus 2, 7. B triple I, 5 plus 3, 8. X, B, smaller numeral is written to the right of larger numeral. 10 plus 5, 15. L, X, 50 plus 10, 60. This is the rule number 2. When the smaller numeral is written to the right of the larger numeral, is always added to the larger numeral. Here, the rule number 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of the larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Here some rules for this. Rule number 3. First, B, L, and D are never subtracted. B, L, and D are never subtracted means B, L, and D never can be written before the larger numeral. The second, I can be subtracted from B and X only. I can be subtracted from B and X only. For example, Ix means 10 minus 1, 9. Ib means 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So, I can be subtracted from B and X only. The third, X can be subtracted from L and C only. For example, XL means 50 minus 10, 40. XC means 100 minus 10, 90. Come to the next. C can be separated from D and N only. For example, CD means 500 minus 100 is equal to 400, and CN means 1000 minus 100 is equal to 900. This is the rule number 3. Now rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, is always separated from the larger numeral immediately following it. For example, XIB. I is smaller than B and X both. So we cannot add I from into X. We have to subtract I from B. For example, XIB, X means 10, and IB, I separated from B means 1 is separated from 5. So 10, 5 minus 1, 10 plus 4, 40. In this case, XIX, both X is larger than I, but I is not add to the X, but you have to subtract I from X. So 10 plus 10 minus 1. 10 plus 10 minus 1 means 10 plus 9, 19. This is the rule number 4. Now, exercise 1G. Question number 1, we have to change the Hindu Arabic numerals into Roman numerals. Here 2 or 2, here 2I. 36, the nearest 10 of 36, the tens before 36 is 30. So first write the Roman numerals for 30. Now 6. So for 6, 5 and 1. 6. 30 plus 6, 36. 73. Before 73, we can use a symbol for 50. L is stand for 50. Now 50 to 70, you have to add 20. But 20, you can write 2x for 20. 10 plus 10, 20. 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70. And now 3. You can write 3i. Next 99. Before 99, the tens is 90. So write down 90. You have to write XC. XC means X stand for 10 and C stand for 100. X is placed before C, so 10 is separated from 100. We get 90, and now 9. You have to write IX. X for 10 and I for 1. So 1 is separated from 10. Means X means 9 and XC means 90. So 90 plus 9, 99. In question number 2, we have to change Hindu Arabic into Roman. Now 164. 164. For 100, we have to write C. 60. Change 50 and 10 means 60, and for 4, I B. 1 is separated from 5, we get 4. So 100, 50, 10 and 4 makes 164. 475. First write 400. So when we subtract 100 from 500, we get 400. CD stands for 400. Now 75. To change, break 75 into 50, then 20 and then 5. 50, 20 and 5 makes 75, and CD for 400. So this is 475. Now 759. First 700, write D for 500, and for next 200 here write double C. 500, 100 and 100 makes 700. Now 59. L stands for 50 and for 9 I X. This is for 759. Now question number 3. Here Roman numerals are given and we have to change into Hindu alphabet. X X V double I. X and X makes 10 plus 10. V and double I is 5 plus 2. That makes 20 plus 7 equals 27. In this case, L double X I V. L stands for 50, double X 10 plus 10, and I V means 5 minus 1. That is 50 plus 20 plus 4. 50 plus 20, 70, and so 74. Now CLIV. C stands for 100 plus L 50 and IV is 5 minus 1. Means 100 plus 50 plus 4, 154. Here CD. D stands for 500 and C placed before D, so 100 is subtracted from 500. And LX, L stands for 50, X for 10, and IB is 5 minus 1. 500 minus 100 is 400, 50 plus 10 plus 4. 64, that is 454. Now question number 4. These values are meaningless and we have to give reason for it. BC, we cannot write BC. Why? B is never subtracted. B is placed before C, but we all know about the rule of Roman numerals. B is never subtracted. Now IL, this is also meaningless value. Why? I can be subtracted from B and X only. So IL is meaningless. This is the Roman number rule. So with the help of these Roman numbers rule, you have to finish this exercise, and now chapter 1 also finished today. So complete the chapter 1 in your third copy and read about these rules. Okay.